I turned a $2 digital product into a $30 physical product without touching inventory or handling shipping. And the best part, it took almost no extra work. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can do the same. I started out like many others, making money by selling illustration and clip art. The prices were low and the competition was intense, and success often depends on who could offer the best design for the lowest price. But over time, I discovered something game-changing. You don't need to constantly create brand new designs to succeed. In fact, you can transform the artwork you already have into a high-margin physical product without starting from scratch. I use PeaPrint, a print-on-demand platform that transforms your existing illustration into physical products like mugs, canvas, bags, t-shirts, and wall art, and there's no need to hold inventory, handling shipping, or work with factories. The best part, I only pay for printing when a customer places an order, which means the profit margin stays high. PeaPrint offer over 1,000 premium products at a competitive factory prices, so you can maximize your profit on every sales. With 10 years of printing expertise and 100 trusted partner factories, you can get premium quality print your customers will love. Plus, PeaPrint integrates seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, and Amazon, making it easy to get your product listed and selling fast. So if you need product sample to check quality or create marketing photos, PeaPrint allow you to order up to 3 samples per month at 20% off, and their expert reviews each product before purchase to ensure top quality. So if you got a collection of illustration just sitting on your hard drive with no buyers, why not put them to work? With PeaPrint, you can turn those unused designs into physical products that people actually use and purchase every day. Click the link in the description to register for PeaPrint for free and start your passive income journey at zero. Now that you've seen how to boost your income with print on demand, the next step is making sure your design is evergreen, so it keeps selling long after you list it. For example, occupational design are evergreen products because people are always searching for gifts that represent their careers. For instance, if you search for nurse clip art using Cell Samurai, you notice it has a high search volume with low competition. You can also search for the designs on Etsy to gain design inspiration. The next step is choosing an AI platform to generate these designs. For this illustration, I'll be using Ideogram, which is free and can generate images similar to Midjourney. But before generating any images, we need a prompt. So here's how I wrote my prompt in a simple format. After writing the prompt and pasting it in Ideogram, I set the aspect ratio to 1:1, used version 3.0, and set the generation style to design. And here's the result I got. I also designed few more to achieve similar results. But these weren't the only prompt I crafted. I have a list of free prompts you can use to get similar results. The link will be in the description. And a special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. Now that the design is ready, we'll head over to PeaPrint to make it print ready. First, create an account with PeaPrint. Then you head over to integration and connect your store. For this illustration, I'll be using Etsy. After that, Etsy will ask you to grant access and your store will successfully connected. Once you're done, click on Product I Design, then select Create this design. Under Home and Living category, I'll select Drinkware, then choose Mug. Next, click My File to upload your design. Now, remember, if your design is low resolution, it will show a warning sign here. So the best solution is to use a platform like Letter Enhance to upscale your design. Once you're done, click Add to Store. You'll be taken to a page where PeaPrint will suggest other white label products you can try with your design. And in the next section, you see the default mockups and fill in the product information. You can either let PeaPrint generate default information for you or click here to add your own. And if you have no idea of what to write, you can quickly get inspiration from your competitors by checking how they describe similar product. Once you click continue, you'll be asked to select the store you want to sell this product. Finally, you reach the sell section where you set your price and view your profit after your product is sold. Once that is done, you receive a message confirming that your product has been published. And just like that, you have a physical product to sell online without even touching it. I hope this video helped convince you why selling physical products is profitable. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.